Welcome to Deco TV. Today we are showing you the finished job of a strip and seal and tint job here in Venice, Florida. We did the stripping job. We used our Stripacast to remove several layers of a previous sealer. Then we went through the process of being able to get the tint on there. The homeowners wanted to be a little bit more of a brown versus the reddish pink that they had before. So we added some different colors to come up with a color saturation that they wanted. Then we showed them how dark we could put it and what their liking was. So we had them out here to give us a little direction on what they liked. Once we did that, then we come with the sealer. SilaCast is a sealer that we like to use. It is a single application, so it makes it really easy to do. We put a little bit of that color tint in there as well. On driveways, I like to then go with the TravaCast. The TravaCast is a water-based clear acrylic. And so what that does is it makes it where tires don't interfere with wear and tear, so that it makes it where you're getting the most longevity with the tint. You should be getting 5 years or more. To be really proactive, if you want to do it, then you can actually put some of the TravaCast on top. And after about 1.5 years, and then that way the tire marks are gonna have to wear through that before it wears through the SilaCast and the actual pigmentation. So we know that there's lots of questions that you could possibly have, and maybe even where to get our products from. The main number for Deco is 1-800-500-DECO. That will get you right to the manufacturer. You can also go to decoproducts.com. It's a Deco, D-E-C-O, and then products with an S.com, and that will give you a lot of the SDS sheets, a lot of technical sheets, data sheets, and so forth that can give you some information. The nice thing about that website is it also allows you to print something off of that. So if there's something that you need, you can actually print it off to be able to give to either read for yourself or to be able to give it to homeowners or associations.